Today, I'll show you how to change currency in PayPal app. First, open the PayPal app on your phone. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Before starting, it is important to understand that there are a few different things people mean when they say change currency in PayPal. You may want to add a new currency balance, make a currency your primary balance, convert money from one currency to another, or choose a currency while sending a payment. To manage your PayPal currencies, go to your PayPal balance or open wallet. If you see your balance, tap it to view more details. Look for currency options, balance settings, or a menu with three dots beside a currency. PayPal says you can manage currencies from Wallet, where you can add a currency, make a currency primary, or close a currency balance. To add a new currency, choose Add a Currency. Select the currency you want to add, then confirm it. This is useful if you receive money in different currencies, like US dollars, euros, pounds, or Philippine pesos. If you want to make one currency your main currency, go back to your currency list. Tap the menu beside the currency you want. Choose Make Primary, if that option is available. Your primary currency is the main currency PayPal uses for your balance display and some account activity. Now, if you want to convert money from one currency to another, open Wallet. Choose the currency balance you want to convert from. Tap the menu beside it, then choose Convert Currency. Select the currency you want to convert to, enter the amount, then review the exchange rate shown by PayPal. PayPal says the exchange rate appears before you complete the conversion. If everything looks correct, tap Next, then confirm the conversion. You can also check PayPal's currency calculator from Wallet to see the exchange rate before converting. PayPal says the exchange rate includes a currency conversion spread. If you are sending money, you may also be able to choose the currency during the payment process. Tap Send, choose the recipient, enter the amount, then select the currency if PayPal gives you that option. Before confirming, always review the fee, exchange rate, and final amount the receiver will get. So, to keep it simple, open PayPal, go to Wallet, add or manage your currencies, choose Make Primary if needed, or use Convert Currency to exchange one balance into another. And that's how you change currency in PayPal app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.